Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this iPad Air case. Here I've got an iPad Air. It's a 64 gigabyte. I want to show you 5th generation Wi-Fi only. So here's the case. I'll be putting it on the iPad here real shortly, but let's open the case up. Here's everything. You get a strap, and yeah, you got to take this rubber off the outside. You just got to kind of peel it away. That's going to expose where you can take this case apart. Yeah, it can be a little tricky once you get it started. And you should be able to walk it around. Now can we take this part off? Okay, good. Now we can start taking this outer cover off. All right. Now let's put the iPad in there. So there's the camera opening. There's the camera. So you're simply going to put it in there. Looks like it fits pretty good. Now you may notice the buttons are not close, but if we look on this, it's got these like extenders. So I like to take the rest of the black, just take the rest of the case off so this first part of the case will snap on okay. All right, so now take the gray part here. This should snap on. Yeah, it looks like it doesn't want to fit, but it does fit. Yeah, so it's a little easier. Take this all the way off, and then you can snap this on all the way around. Yeah, and what really is nice is when you put this black thing on, it really holds it. And we still don't have access to those buttons yet, but we got these big extenders in here. That's what's going to help us. So now we got to walk this on. This can be a little tricky. I do like this case. Thankfully you don't have to take it off very often. Okay, change my mind a little bit. So put the black thing on. You still have to have this part off, but it's easier to put this black thing on, put the iPad in there. Okay, it's a little tricky, but I actually really do like this tablet. And the main reason I like it is for this big handle. Easy to rotate, prop it up any which direction I want. And I can also hook it on things. So I've actually hooked this on the back of an airplane seat, put it in the aisle, and then I can just watch my TV. Yeah, I really do like this. I love this rubber is really soft. This thing is very well protected. It does have a spot for the pencil, and it connects to the iPad. Okay, so we still have access to the power button and the fingerprint reader, and we got access. These actually do work. I know that's a long way for them to travel, but they actually do work. And then we got access to charge it. You know, it's not waterproof or anything. We got speakers. Yeah, I like this. It really does protect it. Now the strap, I'm not going to use the strap, but the strap goes through these little hoops here or here, or you can strap it here. So if you want to put it around a seat and have your kids watch a movie while you put the strap around a seat in front of them. So looks like you got about 8 1/8 inch that way. Oh, and about 10 1/2 inches that way. You know, thickness, it does add some thickness to it. You know, almost 5 1/2 inches. Yeah, here's who it's made by. BATU iPad Air 10.9 case. Yeah, I really do like this case. I've bought this for a Samsung tablet I had, and I really liked it. I'm glad they make it for the iPad Air. The Samsung tablet, it doesn't have a place for the pencil, but this one does. I like it. Hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.